Welcome back to PNMRC e-classes. So, you will be studying science with me. This is the second part of the chapter. As I mentioned earlier, we will be studying about basic practices of crop production and management in detail. The first topic is preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. The upper layer of the earth is called soil. The crop plants are grown in soil. Soil provides minerals, water, air, humus to the plants. The soil is prepared for sowing the seeds of the crop by plowing, leveling and manuring. Each one of these steps has its own significance. Preparation of soil can be done by tilling or plowing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. Plowing of field is done by using an implement called plow. Plow are made of wood or iron and they have an iron tip for easy penetration into the soil. The plows are pulled by a pair of bullocks or by a tractor. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank called as wooden plank. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil to the size of grain to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tools used for this purpose are plow, hoe, cultivator and leveler. We will study about them one by one. What are the advantages of plowing? The advantages of plowing are: the loose soil allows the plant roots to penetrate freely and deeper into the soil so that plants are held more firmly to the ground. The loose soil allows the roots of plants to breathe easily. This is because loose soil can hold a lot of air in its spaces. The loose soil helps in the growth of worms and microbes present in the soil, who are the friends of the farmer since they help in further turning and loosening of the soil. Plowing also uproots and buries the weeds standing in the field. The loosening and turning of soil during plowing brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that the plants can use these nutrients. Now we will learn about agricultural implements. First one is plow. Plow is a large agricultural implement which is used for plowing or tilling the soil in the fields. The traditionally used wooden plow is shown in figure. The wooden plow consists of a long log of wood which is called plow shaft that you can see in the figure. There is a handle at one end of the plow shaft. Below the handle is a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. The other end of plow shaft can be attached to a wooden beam which is fixed at right angle to the plow shaft that you can see in the figure. This beam is placed over the neck of two bullocks or oxen so as to pull the plow. Thus the plow is drawn by a pair of bullocks or other animals such as buffaloes, camels, etc., When the plough is pulled by bullocks, the farmer holds the handle to the plough and presses down the handle, due to which the plowshare digs into the soil, loosens it and turns it. Nowadays, the traditional wooden plough is increasingly being replaced by a iron plough. Our another agricultural implement is hoe. Hoe is an agricultural implement which is used for removing weeds and loosening and turning the soil, that you can see in the figure. Hoe consists of a long rod of wood or iron. There is a handle at one end of the hoe. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed below the handle and act like a blade. The other end of the hoe has a beam which is put on the neck of the bullock. Thus, a hoe is also pulled by animals such as a pair of bullocks. The hoe is a kind of modified plough. Ploughing of field is done by using an implement called plough. Plough are made of wood or iron and they have an iron tip for easy penetration into the soil. The ploughs are pulled by a pair of bullocks or by a tractor. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before ploughing. The ploughed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank called as wooden plank. Our fourth agricultural implement is leveler. The ploughed soil is leveled by pressing it with a wooden leveler or an iron leveler so that the topsoil is not blown away by wind or drained off by water and soil erosion is prevented. There are many benefits of leveler, such as the leveling of ploughed field prevents the top fertile soil from being carried away by strong winds or washed away by the rainwater. Another benefit is the leveling of ploughed field helps in the uniform distribution of water in the fields during irrigation. And last one is the leveling helps in preventing the loss of moisture from the ploughed soil. Now we have reached at the end of today's session. Hope you have learned new things related to crop production and management. We will soon meet for learning some new and interesting topics. Till then, be safe and stay at home.